that particles have spaces between them and are continuously moving around means that particles of matter have the ability to intermix on their own with each other. This intermixing of particles of two different types of matter on their own is called diffusion. We also observe that on heating, diffusion becomes faster. Let's look at some examples and experiments to learn more about diffusion. Let's start with gases. We talked about how quickly the scent of a perfume or air freshener spreads through a room. This happens because gas particles are always on the move. When you spray perfume, the particles mix with the air, and since gas particles move so quickly and freely, the fresh scent fills up the entire room in no time. Next, let's take a look at diffusion in liquids. Take two glasses of water, one hot and one cold. Drop some food coloring in each. You'll notice that the color spreads much faster in the hot water than in the cold water. That's because heat makes particles move faster. In the cold water, the particles are still moving, but much more slowly, so the color takes longer to spread. This is the same reason why sugar dissolves much faster in hot tea than cold water. What about solids? Does diffusion happen in solids? It does, though much more slowly. A simple example is chalk on a blackboard. As you write on the board, chalk particles break and stick on the board. Over time, the vibration of the particles results in chalk particles gradually diffusing into the surface of the board, which is why older boards start looking like this and can be tough to erase.